So let's learn how to use the magic eraser in the Google Pixel 6. And this is it. So magic eraser, first of all, it helps you remove an object after taking a photo. Okay. To do this, to use this, make sure that you're going to be taking a photo. So let's take this photo and then we apply the magic eraser. We have taken the photo. Then now let's view the photo. As you can see, that's the photo. So you're actually going to look in the lower part of the screen, tap the edit option right there. When you tap the edit option, this comes up. What you're going to do, you're actually going to circle the object that you want to erase from the photo. Okay, I want you to move that notebook. So you just circle it right there. Okay, now when you circle it, then this option comes in. You're actually going to tap the erase option. You see that there's erase, move, and all that. So tap on erase. Now watch the magic happen. So it's actually going to process. As you can see, when it's done, you actually have to tap the tick right there. Okay, now you can actually see that the object that I circled has actually been erased from the photo. Hope you can see that the notebook is not there anymore. So you tap on save copy to save that copy. Okay, that is how you use the magic eraser on the Google Pixel 6.